Today I am going to open my iPhone and iPad birthday gift. So first I'm going to open the iPhone. Here it is. It is red here, and also it got the charger. Also got these and this. Oh, it won't come out. And there you go. And this was to connect to this, to the plug, so you can charge the phone. I also got this iPhone case, crossbody phone case. Let's open it. This is what it looks like. Then I'm going to open it. Why is it not coming out? Oh, there we go. Oh. So this is the iPhone case. It's so pretty. It's rainbow. It's pink, actually. Does it go like this? Here. I got it out. Here. There we go, it's in. Now I'm going to try it on. It was too long, so my mom tied it up right here. There. Now it fits perfectly. I love it so much, everyone. I guess this way is better, so when I need to do something, I can just hold it like this. I'll put the sticker here on the back of the phone case. It's an Apple phone. An Apple sticker. Next, I'm going to open the iPad. So here is a pencil. I'm going to take it out. Here is the pencil. It's very white. Is there a charger for this? This is where we charge the pencil. Then we put this one. This one is an extra tip for this one. There. Now it can charge. Connect the cable and connect it to the wall. First, let's find the cable. This is the iPad. It's very wide. I really like it. Here's the cable and the charger. is the cable. Now we have to connect it to the edge. Just need to plug this to your wall.
Ooh, very thin.
Then back to the front. Let's put the cover. There we go. There we go.
No, you have to put more under.
We're under?
Yeah.
There we go. That's much better. This case will keep my iPad safe. So nice. Bye everyone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye!